Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a simple but very useful tip: how to hide notification information on the Telegram app for PC after the latest update. If you're someone who values privacy or just wants cleaner, distraction-free notifications, this guide is definitely for you. Let's get started, step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app loads, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three small horizontal lines, often referred to as the menu button. Click on those lines to open your main navigation panel. From here, scroll down and find the section titled Settings. Go ahead and click it. Inside the Settings menu, you'll notice several options that allow you to personalize your Telegram experience. What we're looking for is the section called Notifications and Sounds. Give that a click to open up the Notification Preferences menu. Now, this is where you have full control over what kind of information Telegram shows in your notifications. By default, Telegram usually displays both the sender's name and the preview of the message in your desktop notifications. However, if you'd rather keep that information private, you can easily change it here. Within the settings, you'll see options that allow you to show or hide text and names. To stop Telegram from showing these details, simply uncheck both the text and name boxes. This small step ensures that whenever a new message pops up on your screen, the sensitive details will remain hidden. Instead, you'll only get a simple notification alert without revealing who it's from or what the content says. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your Telegram notification settings to keep your information private. It's a quick change, but it can make a big difference in protecting sensitive conversations, especially if you often work around others or share your screen. So the next time a message comes through, you'll still know you've received something important, but only you will control when and where to actually view it. It's neat, simple, and effective. If you found this helpful, be sure to use these steps right away.